Warner Bros. And HBO announced Game of Thrones Dragonfire, a new free-to-play mobile strategy game set during the era of House of the Dragon. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. A fiery new addiction is coming to your pocket, and it's about to make the Dance of the Dragons look like a playground landing on the iPhones and Android later this year. A slick new trailer features a digital Emma Darcy as Rhaenyra Targaryen, urging players to seize their destiny before the world burns. Forget just watching the carnage. You're the one hatching the eggs now. You'll play as a Valyrian descendant tasked with raising a brood of scaly beasts and commanding armies across a tile-based map of the Seven Kingdoms. While you'll be the star of your own story, you aren't alone. Fan favorites like Aemon Targaryen, Corlys Velaryon, and the conniving Alicent Hightower are all set to appear, letting you rub shoulders with royalty while you plot your path to the Iron Throne. The developers are promising reigns, which are 8-week seasons packed with campaigns that culminate in massive events like the invasion of King's Landing. The more you fight, the stronger your dragons grow. If you're itching for battle, pre-registration's open right now with some serious heavy loot on the line. If the community hits 10 million signups, everyone gets the legendary Dawnseeker dragon for free. With House of the Dragon Season 3 releasing this June, this is the perfect way to live out your silver-haired power fantasies. Whether you want to build alliances or simply watch your enemies turn to ash, join the fray or get out of the way. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.